We actually video call with her sister, and then she told me that she's gonna give this to me. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song. Beautiful melody. So hey guys, good day. I am back right now. So I have here a big package. This is from USA. Oh, by the way, here's my assistants, Samantha and Mom. So they are so excited to open this box. Jay sent me this. He told me that these are the gift from Jay's sister. It's for baby clothes or baby needs. So let's see. I am so excited to open this one. It took a while. I think he sent this 2 weeks ago. So arrived after 2 weeks. This is airline cargo, something like that. So let's open this one. I am so excited what's inside, by the way. Samantha been saying to me that, oh, Tita, open the box. Open the box. Yeah, now I'm going to open this. Tadang! So this is it, guys. This is the package. So we have here swaddle. I can use it to wrap the baby pillow. And this one, another swaddle. Yeah, shoes for baby. This is big. And shoes for baby. This one, I think this is cloth for baby wash. Cute. Ay, so cute. Cute. Oh, baby toy. Sam. It's baby toy, Sam. And baby clothes also. From newborn, di ba? Bird cloth. Hooded towel. This one too. This is from Jay's sister. Thank you so much. Another towel as well. Uy, wait lang. Another different kinds of towel. Another towel. I can use this for like baby blanket or baby towel.
For baby toys.
Ah, baby toys?
Yes.
Oh, baby hat some. Oh.
Wow.
Baby hat. Baby hat for you? It's for baby Sophia. Try. Just try. You come here. Come here. Hindi na kayo.
Baby.
Oh, baby, oh. Try. Oh, di kayo gawin. Sophia na. Oh, ka-cute, oh. This is for baby clothes also. Oh, baby clothes. Newborn magagmay, di ba?
No,
Party! Sophia, your clothes is here. And, by the way, this is the breast pump machine. Breast pump machine. Yeah, she gave this to me. What are these? Ah, for sore nipples. Sore nipples. My nipples are sore. There's a bag. I can use this for baby bags whenever I travel. So these are the breast pump machine. From this one, I will probably try to look online how to use this. I don't know what are this, but this part of the breast pump and some baby bottle. There's a manual also. I will read it later. Baby bottle. Cute sa baby bottle mo. Ito yan.
Cute.
And this is the cord. So I have baby bag. Ah, baby socks. Baby socks, Sam. Cute kay Sam. Cute kay Sam.
Tita na lagi, tita.
Uy, isa mo na. Butang.
Strap.
Some strong. This is bra for the breast pump. Put the breast pump in both nipples. Just like this. Oh, baby clothes. Wow! Baby, what you call this? Pants. Pang 1 year na ni siya pang 6 months na eh. Wow, baby dress. It's like few months old or probably 1 year. Ah, this is diaper pad. Ay, kagiyot! Cute sound! So small! Another one. Oh, sexy Anna. Oh, this one. Nice because you can just pull at the diaper area. Baby socks. So cute. Like winter socks. Oh!
Kaigo na ni mo. Ngayon kami.
Dili eh. Di kaigo eh. Ang ulo si Sam. Yeah, big head na Sam. Big head na Sam. This one bag of clothes, I think. Wow, this is like newborn size. This like few months old size.
Newborn size. Ay, ipasuot mo niya.
Newborn size. This one few months size. Newborn size. Newborn size. Suot na siya yung ani day ma. Pwede na.
Hindi na.
Ah! Little sister. Newborn size. Daddy's first Father's Day. Wow. Ang cute. Gamay kayo. Newborn size. Ah! I'm so excited to try this for Sophia. This is gonna be few months old. Wow, jacket for Sophia. Pwede ko rin yaman na. Di pa? Few months old. Ay! Cute kay Sama. So sexy. Sophia so sexy. Yan na. Good for this weather. Pants for baby. Wow, cute. Baby dress. Nice. Nice toy. There are few baby clothes. This is wow, sexy Sam.
Kaya Sam.
Sophia so sexy with this one. Okay, so let's continue. Earlier, the battery shuts down. So we have here, I think this is a knee pad for the baby. And I think this one is for baby. Like for example, if I want to put Sophia here. Like this. Yeah, I think. For this one. It's a little bit bigger for me, but I can adjust it from here. So I don't need to buy. Thank you so much. This one is for example, if I'm going to bring her somewhere or travel somewhere, then I have this one as her sleeping bag. And there is pad, or this is the this is the pad. Yeah, like inside blanket or inside bed sheet. This one. These are so cute. And this one too. Baby pants. So that's all I have here. Thank you so much for giving me all of this. We video chat 1 month ago with her sister. She told me that she's gonna give this to me. And thank you so much. Jay sent it for 2 weeks. I am so happy that baby Sophia have a lot of clothes right now. Thank you so much, and thank you to all of you who watched this video. And I am so happy that I have a few clothes for baby Sophia, from newborn to few months. All of these are newborn to few months, and I have a few blankets for her also, or swaddle, and I'm gonna use that baby Sophia towel, or like going out somewhere, or etc. And also I can use this bag for her when we are going to go outside. Also this one too. It's so tiring to carry baby Sophia, so this is like helpful for me also. And the breast pump. It's a machine breast pump. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. And thank you so much, Jay, and to your sister. Thank you, and bye-bye. Thank you to all of my viewers, my subscribers, and my Patreon supporters. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog, as you can see, I am here in the bathroom. So I'm going to share to you our weekend of me because usually I wash weekends clothes for baby. Yeah, and the house helper washing my clothes, and then I wash my baby clothes. So yeah, I just wanted to do it on my own because you know I'm like good mama. Kidding. As you can see, this is my baby washing machine. So I separate the clothes from the same, like for example shorts, clothes, and booties and mittens are different, shorts are different, and dresses are different, and pajamas are different. So as you can see here, so down there, you know, I am going to wash and of course unplug the washing machine. So I only put 5 to 6 pieces of clothes. Like for example, I put shorts 6 pieces so that the washing machine won't get broke. And this is the clothes, so I'm going to put 5 pieces of this. This one, yeah, I have here 5 pieces. That's all. One wash. So I separate them all. While Sophia is sleeping, I am also washing clothes at the same time. Yeah, so I'm working right here, trying to edit some videos, drinking some lactation milk. Yeah, this is lactation milk.
I'm so thankful for everything that life has been putting me through, 'cause now I get to be with you. I think I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do, 'cause I've never felt like this before, and I want you even more.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Are you hungry? I am nanggigigil to you. Say hi to the camera. Hi. 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 You hungry? Wait lang. Nanggigil pa ko. Wait lang. Wait lang. Say hi to the camera. Daddy, I am so active. Head to toe. I'm yours. No? Wow. Nice na. Nice na. Tak, 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 tak. Dakop ka. Kiss, kiss, mami. Okay. Okay. Alright. Don't kick me. Ay, ito. Dakop. Kiss ka, mami. Mommy, mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, see? Hi to the camera. Hi. I'm going to feed you na. Everybody needs Everybody needs a song. Beautiful melody. Where lights can go. There is nowhere to see. Hi, Sophia. Sophia. Baby. 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 Baby, baby. Smile. Wow, we don't have audience. It's okay.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.